Appleton feeds it back to the line. Swicker shot through. A stop by Kaskasuo. The rebound off the post by Sutter. Lindbergh again lifts the stick of Godovets. Support from Spacek. He's hit by Wong. Put it out in front. Lindbergh, a backhand! And a glove save by Eric Comrie. Tynan controls. 15 to go in the 5-on-3 to Polkin. Settles backdoor. Pirri shoots. He scores! Brendan Pirri pointing at all the happy Wolves. Catching Schilling on the line change. Cormier forces a turnover down low. Kaskasuo paddle down the save, and then a late poke by Cormier. Tynan a challenge. Puck comes to Spacek. Move to Nico working the left side.
Oh, yeah.
Tynan got a stick on it. He'll clear it out. And the Wolves Tynan 2-on-1 with Megan. The pass to Megan. He settles. Shoots. And Comrie the save. As Stojkovic carries it, shoots, he scores! An injury to the Wolves, and the Moose take advantage to tie the hockey game. Cole Bennett will leave it off for home. Here's Pirri, a one-timer and a block by Godovets. Pirri out in front for Bennett, Glaze, Tynan, down the pocket, a stop by Comrie! Challenged by Tynan. Slip three for Niku. Sends it over to Spacek. Spacek gives it back to Niku. Near side, Petan shoots, he scores! Petan gives the Moose their first lead of the night with 2:09 to go. And Manitoba rallies to knock off the Wolves 2-1, and they move 6 points up on Chicago.